Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to know if you are restricted on Facebook Messenger. To determine if you've been restricted on Facebook Messenger, follow these steps. 1. Send a message. Try sending a message to the person you suspect has restricted you. If you are restricted, your message will show as delivered but may not show as seen, which is a check mark or an active now status. 2. View active status. If the person has restricted you, their active status might not be visible to you. To check, open Messenger and go to the conversation with the person. Tap on their profile picture or name at the top of the chat. Look for the active now status or last active information. If this information is missing or not updated, it could indicate you are restricted. 3. Visit profile. Try visiting the person's Facebook profile. Go to their profile from Messenger or the Facebook app itself. Check if you can view their posts and updates. If you see limited activity or are unable to view their profile, they might have restricted you. 4. Comment and like. If you can, try commenting or liking their post. If your interactions are limited or not visible to the person, it could be an indication of restrictions. 5. Review blocked users. On Facebook, you can review who have blocked you or who you have blocked. So open Facebook settings, go to the Facebook app or the website, navigate to blocking, go to settings and privacy, settings and blocking. Review blocked users. Check if the person is listed there. I'd like you to know that being restricted is different from being blocked. Restricted users can still see your profile and message you, but have limited access to your posts and updates. So, if you suspect someone has restricted you, ensure your own privacy settings are configured as desired to control who can see your content. Now, you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.